Hello friends, welcome to my channel IVL Unboxing. Today we are going to unbox Kindly Health products. So let's start the unboxing. So first product is Pleaser Climax Delay Wipes. This used for lasting long in bed. Benzocaine is in the wipes. It's local anesthesia. How to apply? It's given in the box. You can pause video and read. Next product is Kindly Replay. It is basically tablet for premature ejaculation problem. Tablet is dark grey color. Another product is Kindly Intensify. Tablet color is light grey in color. This is 3-month course to treat premature ejaculation. Please consult doctor before taking tablets. This is not any sponsor video. Stay safe, healthy. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.